are cold-blooded. Okay, can someone else give me another fact that I can use for my B, for my next idea, for my B? Anyone else have a second fact from this paragraph, Christian?
They have a two-chamber heart.
They have a two-chamber heart. Well, let's see. It talks about the type. Okay, so let me put this. Actually, you know what? We can add. They are cold-blooded with a two-chambered heart. Let me add it to that one. That would work great. With a two-chambered heart. Okay?
You're supposed to be copying this in your notebook?
And what about one other fact? One other fact. All right, Asher, do you have another fact that we can learn about sharks from this first paragraph?
They can breathe through gills.
We have that. They are fish with rubbery cartilage instead of bone.
Oh, I know.
Most of them live in warm seas.
Most live in warm seas. Most live in warm seas, but some live in the Arctic water.
And Miss Walsh, some of them live in like ponds too.
Some live in Arctic water or fresh. Let's do fresh water.
Okay.
Does that work?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what I would like you to do, when Dr. B and I discussed this, we had an issue about the structure. The structure to do the outline is extremely specific. Extremely specific. So, the I, what are sharks? Please that right. Find yourself a brand new page in your notebook. Find yourself a brand new page and copy this down perfectly. Okay, at the top, what do you know about sharks? I wanted you to see it formatted before we started copying, so you copy the format. Copy the format. So what do you know about sharks? Right here. You guys see that at the top, right? That's the title of our outline. Then we put the I, the Roman numeral I. That is a 1 in Roman numerals, okay? It represents 1 for our numbers. And then you put what are sharks. You write what are sharks. Okay? Then you shift over a little bit maybe under the word, the T, and write an A. This is, they are fish with rubbery cartilage instead of bone. They are cold-blooded with a two-chamber heart. And then, again, do the same thing and copy down B. It's all about how it shifts over. It's a very distinct look to an outline. It's a very distinct look to an outline. Okay, I'm putting the R back.
Yay.
All right. Now, guys, copy A and B. Okay.
Miss Walsh, can I zoom out? Is there a way to zoom out and zoom in?
Here.
Like when I want to zoom in, I just go like that. Okay, I got it. Okay.
All right. Does everybody see the way it looks? It's very distinct. Cece, are you guys copying this down? Because I don't think that that you, okay, you are. I don't know that you're doing that, Cece. Now,
Right. 1 second, please. Even though we showed you the format, but some people are still placing the A under the I. This is the format that is supposed to go. The I, like we said, is the main idea, and these are the supporting details. So you need to shift that a little bit. So the A, you have to kind of move it up a little bit that it's not under the I. That's how you differentiate the main idea from supporting details, all right? So everyone make sure that you shift it, all right? So when you're writing, now you are able to see which one is the main idea, which ones are the supporting details. So that's the format that we usually use when we're outlining, all right? So everyone should do it like that. Move it up, move it up.
see, you're all right. Next
Next one, make sure that you shift it over, all right? So that way, it's
Okay. Now, the next part I need you to do on your own, okay? Just right now, I would like you to try to read through the little section. What's the largest shark? What's the smallest?
Oh, I know that
Do it
question.
right in your notebook, try on your own, try it on your own, and then we're going to share out and see if we got it right. And then we're going to move on to let you attempt it with your partner, okay? So go ahead right now, reread that little section, and then come up with 2 facts. This one should be super easy. This one should be super easy.
Can
And then
I
you can share with us.
can I answer one? Which time?
Absolutely, Lauren.
Okie dokie.
I am loving the behavior today. Yesterday you guys were good, but today you're really good. Looks like my heat miser song. Some like it hot, but I like it really hot. Okay. You know I'm weird. Okay, so I'm going to set it up. You ready? I'm going to set up my next piece.
Can I put the rush hour?
Okay, I'm going to do Roman numeral 2, and it is, someone, what's the largest shark, question mark, the smallest?
Question mark.
Okay, now I'm going to do my A, tab in and go A, wait, hold on, let's go A, period, oops, A, period is going to go in B. Okay, so now I got a tab in here. All right. Someone give me the largest shark. Oh, let's see, Talasia. The whale shark. So the largest shark is the whale shark. The whale shark is the largest.
Isn't it short?
Okay, and B, period. All right, what am I doing?
Smallest shark.
The smallest shark is what, Sissy? Dwarf shark. Can you spell that for me?
I mean, goblin shark.
Dwarf.
You were right.
It's goblin.
No, it's not.
W
The goblin is.
RFF.
DWARF
Yeah.
shark is the smallest. All right. So then I'm on to my next page because I'm running gigantic. But let's see. How's your outlines looking? I'm telling you right now, it seems very painstaking, but no. It's fine. That's what we want him to do. You got to put it there.
All right.
All right. Here's the next question. The struggle that you're having to keep this organization, or it's not the question so much as a thought. Once you learn this process, once you learn it, I'm telling you right now, it is a tool for life. It's a tool for life. It seems really tedious, and it's taking a lot of time, and it's like, I gotta move over, I gotta do all this stuff, but in the end, once you learn this skill, you will never forget the skill. You'll never forget it. Okay, I think I was probably around your age when I started using outlining. So I haven't had to use it all the way through college. I have to use it sometime in our meetings. We have outlines. Okay? In our staff meetings, we have outlines that we have to go through and we have to add to the outline. So this is a skill that's going to take you all the way through college and into your jobs. Once you get it, you will just, boom, it'll happen and it'll take off. What I would like for you to do, okay, is you have a partner. You have a partner.
All right, let me just quickly
Okay.
explain what I did with that. Everyone shows there's an A and B, which is actually what this outline is, but it's the giant outline that we're using. So the A, for instance, the first one that we did, which was sharks of fish with skeletons made of rubbery cartilage. So that is the first one, right? A. And then B, though most live in warm seas, the Greenland shark thrives in frigid Arctic. I believe, yeah, that's the second one. So the first one, A, goes up here, and the second one, B, goes up there. So if you look at it, it's almost the same thing that we're doing over there, but now we're placing it so everybody can see. So each and every one of you, you're going to look at the number. So take, for instance, 2. We did 2 already, so I might have to,
Well, they can help us out. They can help us out.
Okay, all right. So 2A and 2B. So in other words, the same paragraph, but you're using different information. So that way, what different facts. So A will be one fact and B will be another one. Okay? So what you're taking from that subheading, and then you're using the information in the subheading.
Right. You have to work with a team. You have to work with your partner. Okay? You have to look at the art piece together, and you have to talk to your partner. Because if we gave this to everybody and said, here's your number, go, and you don't work with a partner, or you don't try to come off of each other and say, okay, well, I'm going to use this fact, and you're going to put this fact. We all have the same facts up there. It would just be just like when you write those summaries that are just a bunch of jibble-jabble. Okay? It's just too much information. So you have to talk to each other, and you have to say, okay, I'm going to write this fact, Tanya, all right? And what do you think would be the next fact? And you say, oh, okay, I think this will be the next fact. And then what you do is when you're done, you post it up under your letter. Under your Roman numeral, okay? And under your letter, because you're an A or a B. So if you notice, it's the salmon on the top and the neon yellow on the bottom. And it really looks nice when it's done, okay? And then we'll share out, and that way everybody doesn't have to do 24 facts. We're going to share out together and write our outlines together, okay? Is everybody clear?
All right.
Okay.
If you're not sure, we're going around and counting. Count up to the number. If you're not sure of the Roman numeral,
Check that.
check that. All right, and